Welcome to Tech Blueprint, a window that lets you know the latest technology news in the world. As we all know, in the field of advanced chip foundry, the company that masters the most advanced technology in the international market is TSMC in Taiwan, China. After entering the advanced process node below 5 nanometers, this company seems to have given up the blind pursuit of advanced foundry technology. Now, TSMC has clearly postponed the production time of NA EUV lithography machine, and Intel executives have also expressed their views on advanced lithography machines. The situation that ASML of the Netherlands does not want to see has appeared. First of all, after ASML of the Netherlands released the industry's first NA EUV lithography machine, TSMC not only did not purchase it immediately, but postponed the production time of related equipment. The reason is very simple, that is, due to the high price of NA EUV lithography machine at this stage, the cost of each wafer in the later production is much higher than that of EUV lithography system. At this stage, under the premise that the performance of EUV lithography machine is still sufficient to meet the use needs, TSMC does not need to spend a lot of money to purchase ASML's new generation of lithography machine. In the face of TSMC's indifference, ASML of the Netherlands also began to put pressure on the other party. It was leaked through overseas media that ASML had the ability to remotely paralyze TSMC's lithography machine in Taiwan's factory. But everyone knows that the reason why ASML of the Netherlands said this is, on the one hand, to show goodwill to the United States, and on the other hand, to sell its own new generation of NA EUV lithography machines through this external pressure. This latest high NA EUV lithography machine, which was once highly expected by ASML and priced at 3 billion yuan per unit, has only sold 5 units in the global market, and the main orders are from Intel. Even Intel, which purchased a large number of NA EUV lithography machines, has once again expressed its views on the issue of high-end lithography machines after commercial production, and the situation that ASML of the Netherlands did not want to see has also emerged. On June 21, an anonymous director of Intel threw out a heavy point of view on the investment platform Tegas. In the future, high-end chip manufacturing may no longer rely on ASML's high-end lithography machines, but rely on etching technology to turn over. The implication is that the other party believes that the current lithography equipment has been separated from the actual use needs. The etching process in the chip manufacturing process has gradually become an important factor affecting chip yield and performance. The executive believes that as three-dimensional transistor technologies such as GAAFET and CFET mature, chip design will be stacked up like building blocks, and the role of lithography machines will be greatly weakened. Chip production is like building a building on a silicon wafer. Before, everyone competed on the foundation area, plane miniaturization, and now they compete on the floor height, three-dimensional stacking. The former will have higher requirements for the accuracy of the lithography machine, while the latter will have higher requirements for the etching process in the chip process. How to solve the etching problem of three-dimensional stacking will become a watershed in the future wafer fab technology level. The statement of Intel executives has undoubtedly pushed ASML to the edge of the cliff. You know, in recent years, due to the so-called chip bill in the United States, ASML in the Netherlands has lost the right to ship freely to the outside world. High-end EUV lithography machines cannot be delivered to customers in mainland China, and low-end and mid-end equipment are facing localized substitution by Chinese manufacturers. ASML is not having an easy time in the overseas market. In addition, TSMC's postponement of the commercialization of EUV lithography machines has also had a serious impact on ASML's revenue. High-end equipment cannot be sold, and the market share of mid- and low-end equipment has gradually tightened. Profits may have affected the company's R&D investment. This is definitely a fatal factor for a semiconductor equipment manufacturer that is world-renowned for its technology. The key to ASML's current breakthrough lies in whether it can strive for free shipment to the Chinese market. If it continues to be unable to export EUV lithography machines to mainland Chinese companies, domestic lithography machines may achieve a breakthrough in the next 2 to 3 years. By then, ASML will not only face an expected decline in overseas markets, but also face a wider range of substitutions in the Chinese market. Once China's EUV lithography machine is successfully developed, it will seize ASML's market at a lower price. By then, ASML's hegemony in the field of high-end lithography will be completely broken. Whether it is TSMC's attitude towards EUV lithography machines or the statements of Intel executives, it proves one thing, that is, the development of current lithography equipment has reached a ceiling level. Although the performance of equipment higher than EUV lithography machines will be stronger, there is no practical use scenario. In addition to the price of 3 billion yuan for each EUV system, chip manufacturers have also begun to solve the chip foundry problem through more practical technical routes. Fortunately, China has always been at the forefront of the world in the field of etching. If it is true as Intel executives said, the difficulty of breaking through China's high-end chips will inevitably be greatly reduced. I believe that with the continuous deepening of the layout of the domestic chip industry and the continuous advancement of the localization of related equipment, the technology and production capacity of high-end chip foundry will gradually catch up, thereby solving the AI chip problem that the United States is stuck in the neck. What do you think about this? Welcome to leave a message and discuss.